Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a new chapter. Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a new chapter. Good morning, children. Today which topic is seed and seed. In this topic we will read about the seed. You know what is seed? Seed is a part of fruit. It means it is also a part of a plant. Which topic is yellow of this lesson? Yellow of this lesson is observe the different stages in the germination of seed. It means germination has different stages and you have to know that stages of germination to know the parts of a seed. Next, to understand the condition necessary for a seed to get in sprout, to know dispersal of seed and agents involved in seed dispersal. Key point of this chapter: to know the seed. What is seed? To know the parts of a seed and types of seed according to texture. Texture means smooth, rough and flat, etc. Again, to know the germination of seed. Fifth point is condition for germination of seed. What will be the condition needed to germinate a seed? Sixth step is 6.8 steps in germination of a seed. Next point is dispersal of seed. Dispersal means movement of seed due to different causes. Next point is extraordinary plants. Some plants are extraordinary and they eat insects. You can see this picture. It is also an extraordinary plant. At last point, Velcro and its uses. What is Velcro? I will discuss later. What is seed? You can see in this picture pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, chia seeds and sesame seeds, flax seed, etc. You want to know what is seed? Seed is reproductive part of the plant. It means plants give new baby plant with the help of seed. It means seed is needed to give the birth to a new baby plant. What parts of seed? There are four main part of the seed. First one is first leaf, second is embryo, third is seed coat and fourth and important part of the seed is food storage. Food storage is that part from which the new baby plant get food. Types of seed. There are so many types of seed, but we will discuss here only few seeds. Smooth surface seed. According to the texture of seed, we will separate we will separate the seeds in three main types. First one is smooth surfaces seed. The example of a smooth surface seed is carrot or green pea. Rough surface seed, example of rough surface seed is gram. And after that flat seed you know, the seed of pumpkin, cucumber, gourd, etc. Germination of seed. What is the germination of seed? The process by which a seed grow in a new plant is known as germination. It means germination is the process by which a seed grow in a new plant. You know, this is the stages of germination. You can see in this picture. First one is seed. The seed grow. Seed begin to germinate. It gives radicle in and after that radicle develops in root hair, and upper part of seed is hypocotyl and upper radicle is under the ground, and hypocotyl is the upper and over the ground, and it develops in new plant. Condition for germination of seed. What is the condition needed to germinate a seed? You can see this is a flower pot, and in this flower pot seed is going to germinate. A seed needs sunlight, air, water and soil to germinate. It means the condition for germination is sunlight, air, water and the soil. Now come to the dispersal of seed. What is dispersal of seed? Dispersal means its scattering or movement of seed from one place to another. It means the movement of seed can be done by many agents. First agent is air, second is water, third is animal and human, and fourth one is bursting of fruit. You can see in this picture how seed travel by the wind. Example of the seed which scattered by the wind is milkweed, dandelion and maple. By the animals, some seeds have hook and it stuck on the hair of the animals and move from one place to another. The example of that Begotix, Sandbar and blackberry. And by water, you know, lotus is the water plant and coconut is also grow near the water, so it is moved by the water. By bursting is the you see witch hazel, jewel weeds and violet. and by human beans, wheat, cherry, etc. These are the seeds which is dispersed by the different agents. Now come to the dispersal. Some insect eater plant. It is also known as extraordinary plant. You can read in this in your book also. Plant which hunt. There are some plant which trap and eat frogs, insects and even mice. The pitcher plant. Scientific name of pitcher plant is Nepenthes is one such plant. It is found in Australia, Indonesia and Meghalaya in India. It is found in Meghalaya in India. It has a pitcher like shape. You know the pitcher? Pitcher means the mud pot shape, and the mouth is covered by a leaf. The plant has a special smell that attract insect to it. By the special smell, insects attract to the plant, and when the insect land on the mouth of the plant, it get trapped and cannot get out. What a clever way to hunt. Some insect eater plant. It is also known as extraordinary plant. Velcro and its discovery. What is Velcro? See in the picture. Have you seen this? This is Velcro. It can be found in your school shoes and bags also. This has a small story. This happened in 1948. One day, George Mestral is the founder of Velcro. George Mestral came back from a walk with his dog. He was amazed to find seed sticking all over his clothes and on his dog's fur. He wondered what made them stick. So he observed these seeds under a microscope. He saw that the seed had many tiny hooks which got stuck to cloth or fur. This gave Mestral the idea of making Velcro. He made a material with similar tiny hooks that would stick. Velcro is used to stick together many things like cloth, shoes, bags, belt and many more. What a way to take inspiration from nature. Who came from where? Uh, I have discussed the movement of seed. Then you must know who came from where, which vegetable or fruit came to India from where. You can read in your book also. Did you know this? From South America, long ago came a tomato, a potato and green chili. It means green chili, potato and tomato came from South America. And a cabbage came from Europe, and also a pea from Africa came a coffee bean. From Europe, cabbage and pea has came, and from Africa a coffee bean and green bhindi came from Africa. After that they crossed the land, they crossed the sea. Did you know this? A mango sang, came in, come in, come in. An orange smiled inside its skin, welcome to India. A banana said, a methi and spinach, brinjal and radish nodded its head. Did you know this? It means mango. Now write some seed which uh, which used as spices in your home. Second one, seeds of vegetables. Third one is seeds of fruits. Next is some light seed, and write the name of some flat seed in your copy. Are you getting my point? You have to write this question in your copy. First one is used as spices in your home. Second is seeds of vegetables. Third is seeds of fruits. And fourth one is some light seed, and after at last some flat seed. I hope you all are understand this chapter. Thank you.